Welcome to Wit Warrior. Discover the perfect surprise with our Choose Your Gift unboxing. For more videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to share your sum choices in the comment box. Choose your donut. Which coloured gift box will you choose? I choose blue. Choose your lip art. Choose your study chair. Choose your candle. Choose your nachos. Choose your watch. I will choose the purple one. Choose your pillow. Choose your kitchen. Choose your gift. I hope you picked the right gift. Number 10, choose wisely. Like this video if you pick the right gift. What gift do you choose? You are doing good. Keep it up. Pink, purple, blue, which one? Number 14. Choose your dairy. Next one. Number 17. Choose one box. Choose your fridge. Next one. Number 21. What gift do you choose? Next one. Number 24. Choose your beloved pet. Next Next one. Next one. Choose your gift box. Which one you will choose, pink, purple, blue. Number 30. Next one. If you choose best for you, please subscribe. Next one, pick one gift box. Next gift. Choose a breakfast that's good for you. Choose the TV you want. Number 38. You are doing great. Keep doing it. I will select the purple box. Which one will you select? Choose your best study lamp. Choose your gift.